Hey there, I'm photographer David Bergman, and this is 2-Minute Tips for Adorama TV. Today we're going to talk about catchlights, why they're important, and how to create them. What is a catchlight, you say? Well, I'll tell you. Our eyes are very reflective, almost like a mirror. Catchlights are simply the reflection of the light source in your subject's eyes. Often it's a small specular highlight that gives your subject just a little glint in their eye. They say that the eyes are the window to the soul, and catchlights are important because they give your subject life. Catchlights can come from any light source, with the most common being the sun. We're used to seeing that tiny speck of light in the top corner of our subject's eyes because that's usually where the sun is. When using a flash, we often put it higher than our subject. Not only is it generally more pleasing, but the catchlight mimics the look of the sun since you can't see it once it's below the horizon. Now, to get a good catchlight, your subject needs to be facing the light source, whether that's the sun, a window, a reflector, or even a flash. Catchlights come in all shapes and sizes, and if we're controlling the light with flash, the size and shape will change depending on which light modifier you're using and how close it is. As a photographer, you can look at other people's images and try to figure out how they lit the photo just by checking out the catchlights. In this photo, you can see that I used a photo umbrella because there's a round shape reflected in Violet's eyes. If I was using a softbox, you'd see a rectangular shape, and when I use a ring light, you see that funky round donut right in the middle of her eyes. Catchlights are a small detail, but don't underestimate their importance to your portraits, even if you're not shooting close-ups of the eyes. Control the size and shape so that you can see them and bring life to your subjects through that extra little twinkle in their eyes. Thanks for joining me today on Adorama TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos, follow me on social media @David Bergman, and go to the Adorama Learning Center for lots of other great tips and tricks.